So here's a 5-bladed Holmes table fan. This is a bit of an older model. It was probably sold at Target or something. I don't think it's sold anymore. It's probably sold under another brand. But they actually do sell these as 16-inch pedestal fan versions. These aren't really popular. In my slideshow videos, this is actually number 13. I also made a video of the Breeze Blaster, which is the 6-bladed model. That's all plastic. This has metal blade. This is plastic. Has metal grills and a plastic blade. The switch that wraps around the stand. Yeah, the switch that wraps around the neck of the fan. And that's all there is to it, I believe. So thanks for watching.